Jetting V3, the strongest pneumatic fiber blowing machine on the market. The machine is designed for fiber blowing, sub-ducting, floating, and for pushing and pulling a fiberglass rod through ducts. Jetting V3 installing optical fiber cables with precision. This machine handles cable diameters from 4 to 40 millimeters and duct diameters from 10 to 63 millimeters. Weighing just 25 kilograms, it's the lightest in its segment, with a maximum speed of 50 meters per minute or 164 feet per minute. Efficient, powerful, and built for optimal performance. With a simple setup, the V3 can be used for subducting, where multiple microducts are installed into a larger duct. Thanks to the V3's powerful motors, this task becomes easy. This flexible machine can be used to push and pull a fiberglass rod through the duct. It is used together with the jetting cart, which is mounted in the manhole for stability and safety. The jetting cart can also be used during fiber installation. During a long and challenging fiber installation, the V3 can be configured with a floating kit, and water is used instead of air. We know for a fact that distances over 10,000 meters are achievable with the V3 and the floating kit.